5 laps. So a couple reminders of what you saw in the classroom and the discovery laps. Use the cones out on track to your advantage. The more accurately you follow the green cones, the faster you're going to go. The orange cones are your braking guide, so don't be shy about braking hard when you get to the orange cones. So that being said, I'm going to let you drive as fast as you want, as long as you don't make any mistakes. Sound good?
Sounds good.
We do have stability and traction control active, but if they kick in, it means we did something to go beyond the limit of the car, and it's trying to prevent you from losing control. So if that happens, I'll let you know what you did, but more importantly, how to correct or improve your driving so you can go faster without it kicking in again. You ever used paddles on any car before?
My mom has them. I've never used them.
Go ahead and take your foot off the brake. Try the paddles. See what they feel like. Try the other side. I'll even give you guidance on when to shift up and down. So if I say shift, give the right one a pull. If I say downshift, you give the left one a pull. That's all you have to do.
Okay.
Last but not least, we got other cars on track, so if we catch up to another car, we're going to wait for them to flash their hazards, and I'll let you know where to pass them. If somebody catches us, we'll do the same for them. I'll let you know to stand on the left or right side while they get around us. And during any of the passes, I'll give you a little guidance to make sure it's safe. Ready to go?
Let's do this.
Hold the brake down, give the right paddle a pull.
The left.
Oh, the right?
The right.
Yep. And let's pull forward here. We're going to straighten out the wheel. Then we're going to make a left here. Try the brakes at the first 2 small cones here, see how they feel. Then let's go to the 4 blue cones. And you want to come to a stop in between the 4 blue cones. I'll make sure it's safe to pull on track. A little bit more for me. You ready?
Let's try this.
Let's go. Let's turn into the right, squeeze the throttle. Keep going all the way to that first green cone. And shift up on the right. Turn into the left, shift up one more time. Hug the left all the way to that next green marker. Keep turning, wait for the green cone. At the cone, turn into the right. Start squeezing the throttle, accelerate to the corner. When you're straight, go full throttle. Floor it, don't be shy. All the way down, all the way down. And shift. Shift up on the right. Keep going all the way to the orange cones. Keep going, keep going. Start braking, brake, brake, brake. Wait for the green marker. Turn it to the left here. Keep turning, keep turning. Squeeze the throttle. Let it carry you out to the right side of the track. At the orange cones, brake hard, brake, brake. Downshift. Turn it to the left. Look across to the right for the exit marker. We're going to stay on the right side. We're going to let the 488 pass us on the left. Start squeezing the throttle. And full throttle to the orange cones. Full throttle, keep going. Now go across to the left where that green cone is. Turn into the right. Squeeze the throttle. Look across to the left for your next apex. Turn into the left. Squeeze the throttle. Full throttle all the way to the orange cones. Just a little bit of brake. Turn into the right. Start squeezing the throttle again. Accelerate to the corner. Full throttle to the markers. Keep going. Keep going. Start braking. Brake, 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 braking. And turn into the left. Look across to the left for the next apex. Keep turning. Keep turning. Start squeezing the throttle. Unwind out to the right side. Full throttle all the way down the straight. Keep going. Keep going. At the orange cone, brake hard. Brake all the way to that green marker. Wait for the green cone, and then we're going to turn into the left. Hug the left here all the way to the next green cone. Keep turning, keep turning. Wait for the cone. At the cone, turn into the right. Turn over. Now squeeze the throttle as you unwind the wheel. And you're straight, full throttle, full throttle. Shift up on the right. Keep going, keep going. Get ready to brake. Start braking, brake hard, downshift. Wait for the green cone, turn into the left. How do you like the car?
Love this.
All the way out to the right at the orange cone. Start braking, brake hard, brake, 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 brake. Turn into the left. Keep turning. Now squeeze the throttle as you unwind the wheel. Full throttle all the way down to the orange cone. Full throttle, full throttle. Shift up. At the orange cone, start braking. Wait for that green marker. At the green marker, turn into the right. We can push to the left for your next apex. Turn into the left here. We're going to stay on the left side. We're going to let the GT3 by us on the right. Squeezing the throttle, full throttle, all the way to the orange cones. Keep going, keep going. And start braking. We're going to turn into the left. Look across to the left for your next apex. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Start squeezing the throttle. Accelerate out of the corner. Full throttle, all the way to the orange cones. Keep going, keep going. At the cone, start braking. Brake hard, brake, brake, brake. Wait for the green cone. Downshift, turn to the left. Keep turning, keep turning. All the way to that next green cone. At the green cone, we're going to turn into the right. Squeeze the throttle. Keep turning, keep turning. Squeeze the throttle more. Full throttle all the way down the straight. Shift up. keep turning. Like across to the left, turn into the left here. Full throttle all the way to the cones. At the orange cones, just a little bit of brake, turn into the right, start squeezing the throttle. A little bit more throttle, full throttle all the way to the markers. At the cones, brake hard, brake, downshift, turn into the left, look across to the left for the next apex. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Squeeze the throttle like unwind, full throttle all the way down the straight. At the cones, start braking, brake hard, brake. Wait for the green marker, turn into the left. Hug the left here all the way to the next cone. Keep turning, wait for the cone. At the cone, turn into the right, squeeze the throttle, a little bit more throttle, and full throttle down the straight. Shift. Keep going. Start braking, brake hard, brake. Downshift, turn into the left. Having fun?
This is great.
All the way out to the right, At the orange cone, start braking, brake hard, and turn it to the left. Keep turning now, squeeze the throttle. Start unwinding out to the right side, and full throttle all the way down the straight. Shift up. At the cones, brake hard, brake. Wait for the green marker, and then you're gonna turn it to the right. Keep turning, and turn it to the left. Squeeze the throttle, stand to the left here, full throttle all the way to the cones. Just a little bit of brake, turn it to the right, back on throttle, keep accelerating. A little bit more throttle, full throttle. At the orange cone, start braking, brake, turn it to the left. And coming up on the right, we're gonna exit the track between the blue cones. What do you think of the car?
This is crazy. I've never done this.
Let's keep going forward here. What stood out the most to you about this car?
Just it's so smooth.
It's
Just
almost
the overall
crazy like how
feel.
good everything is, right? Let's keep
The
going
overall
forward
feel.
here. We're gonna go a little bit faster here. We got a car behind us.
What do you mean?
Keep going all the way down. We're gonna make a left at the middle of the 10. Make a left here. And then we're gonna park to the left of the R8. So make a right here. You want me pointed outward a little bit. Straight. Left. Go left more. Keep going. A little bit more. Alright, we'll stop here. Go and turn the wheel all the way to the left until it stops. And you can let go of the brakes. You have a great time?
That was so fun.
Thanks for coming by.
No, thank
Congrats. Getting more and more comfortable with it. I can tell initially you're a little bit hesitant to get on the
you. A little bit,
gas.
because I've never done it.
Because you get on it, you're like, whoa, that's a lot of power.
Yeah.
But you got more comfortable, started using it, so that was a great improvement to see.
Thank you.
Don't be shy about using all the space on track, and especially look ahead to where you want to go, because the cones are going to help guide you around the track. Questions? Comments?